Oh my gosh, just look at this.
Why is it that rich white people do not have to show off their wealth the way black people do? I'll tell you why. There's two reasons.
Talk to me.
Number one, non-Africans, white, brown, yellow, or red, they are preoccupied with the accumulation of power, not materialism.
Got you.
Black people are preoccupied with the accumulation of materialism. We want things. They want power. That's number one. Number two, the Caucasian, the Asian, the Arab, they were never stripped of their self-respect. So they don't have a need. If he's worth $1 million, I may not see it.
Right.
If you worth $1 million, you're gonna have on a bling bling. I'm gonna know you got money.
Well, not me, but
not as an example, just as a brother, right?
As a brother.
You're gonna have on a check. I'm gonna know you got money.
Yeah.
He might be 10 times richer than you.
Yeah.
I won't even know. You wanna know why? His identity never went through the historical assault that your identity went through. You are on a never-ending quest to prove that you are somebody. So wherever you go, you got to show I got money. Right. You got to show I got status.
Right.
He don't have to do that. You want to know why? Him being white is enough to come into a room with.
Damn.